Welcome back, guys. And sometimes what is happening, if you are downloading any apps from Play Store, sometimes the message comes that another app is blocking access to the Google Play, or you are using sometimes Google Pay also. You can encounter with these type of messages. So at that time what happens, it seems that the another app is blocking the access to the Google Drive. At that time what you need to do, turn off any app that might be drying over the screen and try again. Many Android users are facing this strange issue while using Google Play to install apps or using Google Play to make a payment also. So at that time the error comes was, looks like another app is blocking access to the Google Play. Turn off any app that might be drying over the screen and try again. If you are facing these type of issue with Google Play Store on your phone, then please, I'm going to cover in this video. Not wasting much of your time. You are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So quickly, first thing is go to the setting and go to the apps, and here search for Google Play Store. Google Play Store here, and as soon as it, just uninstall updates. After installing update, just try to download the app from Play Store and see the message are coming is not that another app is blocking access to the Google Play. This looks like another app is blocking the access to the Google Play. This message is coming or not. Maybe your problem got solved, but if your problem is not getting solved, do another one thing. Go to the setting and then go to the apps also, and then here go to the special access, and here appear on top. Just turn off all the permissions you have given, and at that time, after that, go below, go back, go to the setting, and then go to the accessibility, and here go to the installed apps or installed services, and here just turn it off installed apps also. After that, just try. I assume that by doing this you don't have any problem. Your problem may get solved after doing these two things. What is happening in the second, when we have given the apps to special access and appear and tab, we have removed the permission. In that, these apps are trying over the screen. Errors usually pops up where there is another app is trying to display content over the applications on the screen. So just remove the permission so that any app do not try to display over the another app. So I think after doing these two things, you might get your problem solved. If your problem is getting solved, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.